Welcome to another how-to video. How to use PiP or picture-in-picture, Chroma, blend, and mask tool for inShot video editor app. Beginner's Guide. Today, let me show you how you can use these features in inShot. First, let's do the picture-in-picture. If you tap the PiP, it will direct you to your media files found on your phone. Choose a video you want to put as PiP, resize it the way you want, and put it wherever you want it to be seen. Next is the mask tool. If you want to mask your video, just click the mask tool icon and choose any layout you want. Once you have clicked the layout you want to add to your video, resize it if needed, and place it anywhere you'd like. Now let's proceed with the Chroma tool. Go to Chroma tool to remove the background. Move the adjusting pointer to the background you want to remove, and adjust the strength to fully remove all the excess background. Just click the check mark once you're done. Lastly is the blend. Go to Blend tool and choose any type of blending you want to put in your video. You can also adjust the strand of it if you want to. Well, that's basically it. I hope you guys learned all the tools we have mentioned. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.